What's up, everyone? Today I'm going to talk to you about an app that I use sometimes to create basic small websites. And if you look at the bottom here, the app is called Brackets. You can install it on a Windows platform system. I'm not so sure if you can install it on a Linux. I believe so. I tried it in Ubuntu before, but you can also install it on a Mac. I just recently updated and I forgot I had this app. I usually play along with this app, to create sites. Now I'm going to show you some of the basic things about this app, and some things are very unique as you work along with this app, okay? So let me go ahead and get it started. You know what, no, that's fine. Anyway, so here is something that I got started already. It's called testing HTML, right? And you're seeing that I pretty much already started with most of the stuff that you need to create a site. There's a little preview here. It looks like a little laser thing or a lightning bolt or something. If you click on it, it will open the default browser. In my case, it's Chrome. I'm going to go ahead and click it, and you're going to see pretty much live what's happening. This is pretty much what I have on the back end of this site. All right, so you can see that there's a lot of work to do. The links don't work yet because I will need to create individually each of these pages. The home page is created, but I haven't applied links yet. That pretty much comes up the last thing at the end. Right now, I'm just introducing you to the basics of this, this application called Brackets. So for now, I'm gonna go ahead and put just some random text. I think they call it Greeking. I have installed an extension in Firefox. There is none for Chrome, or at least that I haven't found it as easy. It's called Lorem or Dummy Lipsum. So I'm going to go ahead and open Firefox for that sake. And I'm going to go ahead and run Dummy Lipsum. And I'm going to use 6 paragraphs instead of 3. And let's see, it doesn't matter. So let's generate that. I'm going to copy that to the clipboard, minimize Firefox, and then close that. And let's see if we can paste it right. Actually, let me delete Control V. Right about there. Okay, so as you can see, I already started doing the content being pasted. Ew, that looks hideous. All right, first of all, the reason why you see all the content split up in paragraphs here, but not on the live site, is because we haven't instructed by putting the right tags. So I'm gonna go ahead and just make p tags all along. I should have done this. You know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and do that on Dummy Lipsum instead of just putting the content, because it'll make it much easier. It'll expedite it instead of me going manually through each one of them, putting p tags and closing tags. So I'm going to go ahead and ask him to put me also the HTML tags on it. So I'm going to go ahead and generate it. Wait a minute, I thought we said 6. Damn it, Moses. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and generate and then copy that to the clipboard. Minimize, close this, and that already comes up with the tags, which is actually much better. Control D, voila. All right, so as you can see, we managed to put our code, our content or placeholder content on this site that we're working on. So there's something, of course, it still looks kind of funky. You can see that every time I select a paragraph in the editor, you can see that on the live site it tells me what paragraphs I'm looking at. It pretty much highlights and then gradually fades off, but it leaves the borders next to it to tell you this is the paragraph you're currently editing. Same here. As you can see, it fades away, but the borders remain. Now, what I don't like about this content right now on this site, it's the padding. It sucks. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is on the container section, I'm gonna go ahead and add some padding. And let's make it a 10 pixel padding. Voila! Way better. Way better. Wonderful. Now, here's the thing. I don't like this font size, so I'm gonna go ahead and change the font, and I'm gonna say, I don't know, style equals font family. I don't know, let's say Courier. Excellent. but I don't want to do this for every paragraph to put a style. So what I'm gonna do is on the head style here, right by the style tag up here, on the head section, I'm gonna go ahead and create another CSS style, and I'm gonna call this one, I don't know, P. And then we're gonna go ahead and put those little wheezy brackets, and then I'm gonna say font family, font dash family. No cursive sans serif. No, I want Courier. Voila! That fixes it for all of them. Now, fonts are nice, but I feel like they're a little bit too big, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and say font dash size, and let's do a 11 pt. Excellent, marvelous. All right, so now that we have achieved that, I don't know, how about if we make it a little stylish too? Like let's make them italize. So let's say font style, and let's make it italic, right? Yeah, that looks much better, right? Doesn't it? Huh? So anyways, as you can see, you can use this particular, how about if we add an image to this? This will be awesome if we can add an image. Maybe around here on this area here. So I'm gonna go ahead for the first paragraph, and I'm gonna apply an image, img search equals, oops, plus sign equals, and then let's see, let's do colon dash my image dot jpg. I think it was jpg, the image I don't remember now. I don't think I remember what the so I guess now I don't remember where. Let me see. Okay, so this is right now, it's just working as a placeholder. Was it my image? I don't remember where I put it though. Was it that documents? It was in documents. My image JPEG. See, I have a let me see. I have documents under bracket start maybe. Oh, there we go. I put it in the wrong place. Let's put it in there. And then let's see if we can call it. What did we call it again? I keep on forgetting. Documents, bracket start, my image JPEG. My image JPEG. It should work. My image JPEG. Maybe it's because I just put it in there. Maybe I don't know. There it is. Look at the little cute puppy. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of fix this a little bit because I don't like the way it's displayed. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply a style on the image. Style equals, and I'm gonna make it float, and then make it left float, right? But there's also let's also apply a padding of 0 for the top and 0 for the bottom, and then 15 for the left and right, 15, and then voila. All right, so that kind of all right, so I think this will work. All right, will definitely work. Check that out. This is an awesome app. You guys should really try it. It's free to install anywhere you want. Just give it a little test up, and you know, let me know what you think. Ooh, I like this. Look at that. In case you want to see this on your mobile device or a tablet, you can organize it, and it's wonderful. I love it. I love it. Really good job. All right, guys. So don't forget, if you want to try this app, it's free. You can download it on Windows, on a Mac, and I think on Linux, Ubuntu. I don't know what version. I think they still have it. You know, you can always try it. But anyways, You can always go with a simple text editor like Notepad. Of course, that's going to take even more work. This one facilitates the process. You can also go like really one of those nice deluxe applications such as Dreamweaver. They do wonders. That's why they call it Dreamweaver. But it is very expensive. It will cost you a bundle. All right, guys, this is enough. I'll try to show you with some other apps that I come up, in contact with and let you know, and so you can explore the world of technology. All right, guys, later.